Can't tell if this is in focus, but hi, what's up? For those that did not know, I'm actually a professional guitar player. Like, I'm about to go on world tour, so I'm gonna play the one bop that I can play the best. It might be the only bop I know how to play. It might not. I might know how to play every song there is because, you know, I'm a musician. I'm going on world tour. Just give me a minute, okay? So here I go. Be prepared to be blown away because, you know, I'd be shook. So shook because you are seeing behind the scenes of Elena about to go on world tour. It's gonna be fire. So like, buy your tickets right now. They're on sale for, I believe, the front row, the cheapest ones you can get are $2.8 billion, but like, honestly, it's worth it because I'm just so good, you know? Okay, so here I go. One more time for good luck. Rock on, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hashtag shook. I'd be shook, you know, honestly. Like, now that you've seen the real deal, like, I'm not even gonna get any fans at my concert. Like, my tour is gonna... Please come to my tour. One more time, just because you'd be so shook. I think I know how to play one more song, if I remember correctly. No. No. If this guitar is in tune or not. So honestly, to end my world tour, I would take my guitar, my prized possession, my $8 billion guitar, I'd smash it because, you know, that's iconic. But honestly, this isn't mine. But let's play my iconic song one more time because I'm just so good at, like, honestly, are your jaws dropped because shook.